Assalam alaikum, I am Irfan Ali Jalbani. We today learn how to earn money on YouTube. Earning money on YouTube typically involves monetizing your content through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Here are the general steps to get started. Create a YouTube channel and upload videos. First, you need to create a YouTube channel and start uploading videos. You'll need to build an audience by creating engaging and high-quality content that people want to watch. Meet YouTube's Partner Program requirements. To be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. You also need to comply with YouTube's policies and guidelines. Enable monetization. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can enable monetization on your videos. This means that you'll allow YouTube to place ads on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue generated by those ads. Ad formats. There are several ad formats available on YouTube, including display ads, overlay ads, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, bumper ads, and sponsored cards. You can choose which ad formats you want to use on your videos. Other ways to earn money on YouTube. Besides monetizing your videos through ads, there are other ways to earn money on YouTube. For example, you can create sponsored content for brands, sell merchandise to your viewers, or offer a paid subscription to access exclusive content.